Hello everyone, welcome back again. This is a quick tour around the hotel that I stayed over there in Puerto Rico. This is the hallway heading down to the elevator, and here is the lobby. You can see a lot of people around, so I'm walking down to the door leading to the outside of the hotel. The hotel is a beautiful hotel located in a nice neighborhood. Now I'm heading outside of the hotel. You can see how beautiful the area is. There is a casino around. They have a Applebee's where we had most of our dinner because it's just attached to the hotel. And walking a distance, they have a mall, they have a Walmart, and other stores that you can walk in to get any items. The area is very peaceful. You know, it is very important to stay in a secured neighborhood, especially when you are a guest in a place and when you have children with you. You have to be very conscious and aware of the kind of neighborhood to stay to make sure that you are safe, especially when you don't know where you are. So we had to get this hotel, and the rating was very good. It's in a secured neighborhood, family oriented, especially when you have children. You don't want to expose them to harm. So this is around the neighborhood. It's very clean. The hotel comes with breakfast, and you have restaurants around at a walking distance. This hotel is located in the New San Juan, and outside the old San Juan, where a lot of things happens. And also transportation is an issue, especially when you have a large family. So to get Uber, you could hardly see SUV Uber, but we were lucky to have a tourist van that usually comes to the hotel, and the man was very nice driver that took us around for the period that we were there. So every day he has to come in, pick us, and take us around, show us around the important places that we need to know. This time isn't that much a good period to go to Puerto Rico because most of the times it was raining, so we were unable to cover some places that we wanted to go to. Like I am not we are not like beach like want to go to beach, because we have a lot of beach in Miami, Florida. We are tired of going to beach, but there are other places that we would have loved to go to, like the rainforest, but the driver advised us not to be there because when it starts raining it's going to be disastrous, since it's kind of a forest. And other places, though we visited the beach, but there's nothing used to beach. We have tons of beach in Florida. Now I'm walking towards Walmart. Like I said, they have a Walmart around the corner, and I'm walking over there. There's one other thing that is very, very common in Puerto Rico. It has a lot of mountains. You can see this building. There is a building on top of it, like this mountain. There's a building on top of it. You can see something like a bridge. I was told that before the hurricane attacked them like 2 years ago, they usually have a place over there where they host, like you want to do any celebration like weddings, you go over there on top of this mountain that you are seeing. They have a place where people go and celebrate their weddings. Anything you really want to do, you can go over there. So this is a quick road to Walmart. On my left, there is a Home Depot. In fact, everything they have in America is right there in Puerto Rico. The malls are almost the same thing. So that is Walmart. Walmart, they have Home Depot, things over there. So the neighborhood here is Bayoma. That is the area where we stayed. So I am heading back to the hotel so we can actually start our day or plan for what next to do. I will see you guys in my next. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy this beautiful view. Thank you so much. Bye.